Hi everyone, this is the narrow gauge layout that most people know me for, and it's the first in a series of Lego mocks I've made. This was made from November to December 2018 when I was rereading the Railway series. And I wanted to build one of the characters in RWS form, and then I saw Skarloey and Talyllyn railways. Engines are small enough I won't need to bother motorising them, as in this scale it'll just look too weird. I could use stop motion or have them being pulled along by fishing wire. The baseboard is made by plates and then bricks from where a point mechanism has started to be made. It then goes back to plates and then just random stuff. The track is 1 stud wide tiles pushed into plates. Some people see this as an illegal Lego technique, but hey, Lego used it in a taxi set in the 1980s.